Capacitors are characterized by their ability to hold charge at a particular voltage. There are excellent real-world examples of capacitors. The clouds and the ground during a lightning storm also act as a capacitor, with the charge building up between them eventually discharging as a bolt of lightning. The MCAT focuses on a particular type of capacitor called a parallel plate capacitor, and all of our discussion will center on capacitors of this type. When two electrically neutral metal plates are connected to a voltage source, positive charge builds up on the plate connected to the positive terminal and negative charge builds up on the negative terminal. The two-plate system is a capacitor because it can store a particular amount of charge at a particular voltage. The capacitance of a capacitor is defined as the ratio of the magnitude of the charge stored on one plate to the potential difference across the capacitor. Capacitance can be calculated using the equation above. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is dependent upon the geometry of the two conduction surfaces. For the simple case of the parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance is given by the equation above, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, A is the area of overlap of the two plates, and D is the separation of the two plates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.